If you've been searching for affordable dumpster rentals near me, there's only one name you can trust. Welcome to Azalea Rolloffs, LLC, your go-to destination for hassle-free dumpster rentals near me. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, construction project, or just cleaning out the garage, Azalea Rolloffs has the perfect solution for you. What sets us apart? It's not just about dumpsters, it's about service. Our dedicated team is committed to making your experience seamless and stress-free. Booking your dumpster is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Visit our website at azalearolloffdumpsters.com, where you can explore our range of dumpster sizes and conveniently place your order online. For all your dumpster rental needs, call Azalea Rolloffs, LLC at 229-563-8110. That's 229-563-8110. Or visit our website at azalearolloffdumpsters.com. Azalea Rolloffs, where convenience meets quality in dumpster rentals near me.